Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you what is chemistry. Chemistry is the scientific discipline concerned with the composition, structure, properties, and reactions of matter, as well as the changes it undergoes during chemical reactions. It is a central science that connects physics, biology, and other natural sciences. Chemistry deals with the study of atoms, molecules, and ions, and their interactions with one another. This involves the investigation of the properties of substances, such as their physical and chemical properties, and the processes that transform them into new substances. Chemists use their knowledge of chemical principles to develop new materials, processes, and products for a variety of applications, from pharmaceuticals and materials science to environmental science and energy production. The study of chemistry plays a critical role in understanding the world around us and in solving real-world problems. There are two types of chemistry: organs. Chemistry, inorganic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of compounds containing carbon atoms, as well as their properties, reactions, and synthesis. Organic chemistry is important because it is the foundation for the understanding of many biological processes, such as the metabolism of nutrients in living organisms. Carbon atoms are unique because they can form covalent bonds with other carbon atoms and with atoms of other elements, such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. The resulting molecules can be very complex, and organic chemistry focuses on understanding how these molecules are formed, how they interact with each other and with other substances, and how they can be modified or synthesized for specific purposes. Organic chemistry has a wide range of applications, including the development of new drugs, materials, and fuels, as well as the study of natural products, such as proteins and DNA. It is a fundamental part of chemistry and is essential for understanding the chemistry of life. Now, what is inorganic chemistry? Inorganic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of the behavior and properties of inorganic compounds, which are those compounds that do not contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. Inorganic compounds include minerals, metals, salts, acids, and bases. Inorganic chemistry also involves the study of the structure and reactivity of inorganic molecules and ions, as well as the ways in which they interact with each other and with other substances. Some of the areas of focus in inorganic chemistry include the synthesis and characterization of new materials with specific properties, the study of catalysts and their role in chemical reactions, and the development of new technologies for energy production and storage. Inorganic chemistry is an important field with a wide range of applications in areas such as medicine, environmental science, and electronics. That's the end of video. If you like our video, please like, subscribe, and share to other students. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.